Why homemade, you ask? Because it's sustainable, cost-effective, and you control the ingredients, no hidden chemicals, just pure, nutritional goodness for your plants. Let's get started. Number 1. Compost tea. First up, compost tea. This classic is a garden staple for a reason. To make it, you'll need a 5-gallon bucket, a shovel of compost, water. Fill the bucket with water, stir in the compost, and let it sit for a few days, stirring occasionally. Strain it, and it's ready to use. This tea will give your plants a burst of essential nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. Number 2. Weed tea. Next, we have weed tea. Yes, the weeds you pull out can be recycled into a potent fertilizer. Here's how. Fill a bucket with water, add a bunch of weeds. Let it ferment for a couple of weeks. Strain this nutrient-rich concoction and watch your plants thrive. Number 3. Aquarium water. Aquarium water is a treasure for your plants. During tank cleaning, save the water. It's rich in nitrogen and nutrients from fish waste, providing a natural and nourishing fertilizer. When used in your garden, it promotes robust and healthy plant growth. Number 4. Eggshell tea. Eggshell tea is a natural fertilizer for your garden. Crush eggshells and simmer them in water. Let the mixture sit overnight. This process extracts calcium, crucial for plant strength. Watering with this tea fortifies plants, promoting stronger cells and healthier growth. Number 5. Banana peel potion. Banana peels are rich in potassium, a key nutrient for plant health. Soaking the peels in water creates a nutrient-infused solution. After a few days, remove the peels and dilute the solution with more water. Use it to water your plants, encouraging them to bloom and produce fruit more abundantly. Number 6. Manure liquid fertilizer. Animal manure is an excellent fertilizer. When mixed with water and left to settle, it infuses the water with nutrients. After a few days, strain it to remove solids. This liquid is full of growth-promoting nutrients. When used to water plants, it greatly enhances their growth and health. Number 7. Seaweed solution. Seaweed solution is a boon for coastal gardeners. Rinse seaweed to remove salt and soak it in water for several weeks. This concoction becomes a rich source of trace minerals. When applied to plants, it stimulates strong and healthy root development. It's a natural elixir for robust and resilient garden growth. Number 8. Coffee ground brew. Coffee ground brew is a fantastic garden booster. Don't discard used coffee grounds. They're nitrogen-packed. Mix them with water and let them steep overnight. This creates an acidic solution perfect for plants like roses and blueberries, as it adjusts soil pH to their liking. It's a sustainable way to nourish and pamper your acid-loving beauties. And there you have it, folks. 8 homemade liquid fertilizers that are easy to make and incredibly effective. Remember, the key to a thriving garden is not just what you plant, but how you nurture it. Give these a try and let us know your results. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, keep growing green.